Okay, so what's your first step?
Foundation.
Foundation, okay. With our new puff that will be available along with this bag and a sharpener and everything. It's little cute new accessories. All right, so we're doing, okay, so my Glam Smoky Bible launches today. And I have Miss North here, and she is gonna give me a makeup tutorial to see how we use, right North? You wanna show them how to use this like, shit, my mom is gonna kill us. We're at her house. Oh my gosh, no, we have to really clean this or Lovey is going to kill us. Yikes. It's about blending, Boo. Oh. Okay, I think that's enough foundation.
Put it all in.
Oh.
Because on the other side, we're going to do the cutie mark.
Well, I think the foundation has to go everywhere, though.
I know. Close your eyes.
Thank you, Lemaire, for this. Oh, the new KKW Beauty black eyeliner. Oh. Oh, you just... I moved. I'm sorry. I moved. I didn't know it would cause this much of a big deal. My makeup artists usually don't act this way. Okay, let's focus. Okay, guys, we're back and we are sharpening. And we are still using just the lip liner. We got it together. What do you feel about the consistency of the eyeliner? Do you think it goes on smooth?
What?
You're such a good makeup artist.
No, I'm not.
Okay, so we're gonna use this blush today called Luxe. It's such a good color, and we're gonna use highlighter.
What is highlighter?
What is highlighter, Dorothy? It's called Glitz and Glam. You're gonna learn what highlighter is in a minute, Miss Makeup Artist. Okay, so she is not happy with her work, so we're gonna start over. Okay guys, so this is the final look by Northwest using the Glam Bible Smoky Volume 1. Available now on kkwbeauty.com. Okay, so Dream's gonna finish me off and do some highlighter. Okay, put makeup on me, right here. Oh, yeah. Ooh, thank you, Dreamy. Oh, more? Yeah. Okay, now we're going for some blush. Oh, do you want a blush brush? Here, Dreamy, this brush. Let's do this brush.
Here.
Oh, you like that one. Okay. Oh. Should we get me? Thank you. Oh, such a good job. Blush goes here, boo-boo.
Oh.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Dreamy, you are so good. You're gonna be such a good makeup artist. Wow. You're pretty decked for Thanksgiving dinner. And the other stylish queen. Hey, Grandma. How cute are they, guys?